Hi guys, this is Shravani Sachin, professional digital marketer, and I am back with one more fabulous topic regarding the Instagram tutorials. That is none other than hashtags. How to use hashtags in the Instagram post. In this video, I am going to show about it. From the first day itself, we are talking a lot about the hashtags, right? But in this video, I am going to show you how to make use of that hashtags in your Instagram post. But before showing you how to use it, I would like to tell you a bit about hashtags. Okay, what exactly a hashtag is? Hashtag is nothing but a word or a phrase that describes the content, relativity of the content of your post to the user. So by looking at the hashtag, people will get to know, oh, okay, this post is related to this topic. So it is very important to make use of the right hashtags for your Instagram post. And one more important thing is you can make use of all the possible hashtags. So how do you get to know the relativity of the hashtags? For example, if you are dealing with digital marketing. So if you are posting the content related to digital marketing tips, digital marketing knowledge, digital marketing services, so that you can make use of all the hashtags related to your topics, but the limit is 30. Don't be lazy. Make use of all the 30 hashtags for the most and most organic reach. Especially why we use hashtags, not only to tell the people that your content is related to that particular topic, it will also helps you to extend your post reach. If you use right hashtags, then your post will reach will get enhanced, organic reach, so that people will get follow you organically. Remember that who follows you based on your content, they are all true followers, and there is a lot of chance to convert the followers into your potential customers. So be organic. Don't buy or spam your account with the purchased hashtags. Okay, don't use bots to increase the follower count. Just follow the organic tactics to improve the authenticity of your Instagram account. If you use spammy accounts like purchasing or using robots to get the follows, then your image of your Instagram account will get destroyed. So make use of all the organic possible features. There are so many features available, like we have discussed earlier in the earlier videos, like stories, post creation, using of hashtags, IGTVs, in about which we are talking in the coming videos. Okay, there are a lot many features available in the Instagram post, and the organic reach is fantastic in the Instagram. So make use of all the organic features to improve the authenticity of your Instagram post. So again, I am repeating, a hashtag is nothing but a word or phrase that tells the user regarding the relativity of the content of your post. And why we use hashtag means in order to reach, increase the organic reach your post, so that more and more people will see and more followers will come. Make use of all the organic features. So don't be lazy while using the hashtags. uh, for post you can use 30 hashtags. So don't be lazy while using the hashtag. Make use of all the 30 hashtags for the most and effective performance of your post. And I'm not telling that only hashtags are responsible for the organic reach, but hashtags also plays a very important role to improve the organic reach of your post. So without wasting the time, let's have a look at how to make use of hashtags, how to upload hashtags. Once you got uploaded your post, also you can add the hashtags. Otherwise, while creating the post itself, you can add the hashtags. So the process is simple. Again, we are going to sign in to the Instagram account. So I have already uploaded the post here, and the more you are able to see, only 5 to 6 I have added. While clicking on this, see, look at this, how I have used it. You just, once the description of the post gets completed, now I would like to add few more hashtags to my post. So that is why I am going to edit. I have just clicked on the editor. So as I had told you, while creating the post itself, just go to the three dots right above the post. right above the Instagram post, just click on the three dots and click on edit, so that you are able to edit any text information. And remember one thing, you are not able to edit image or video. What you can edit is you can edit the text information. So how I can make use of this? Hashtags means you have to start with hash hash symbol. Just click on the hash symbol while typing itself. So make prepare yourself what is your post content regarding. So if you are providing the post on social media, or you providing the post on digital marketing. So I have provided the post, I have prepared the post regarding my services is regarding web design and development and digital marketing. So I can make use of all the possible hashtags related to that domain, and you can use maximum 30 hashtags here. How can make use of it? You can start with the hash symbol. Just type hash symbol. Once you start typing, it will automatically highlight. Okay, while clicking on the hash itself, Instagram automatically highlights it. Not clicking on the hash, once you type the first letter, it will start highlighting the all available keywords related to that particular domain. I have started typing digital. I have already uploaded few hashtags: digital marketing agency, digital marketing services company. In addition to that, I am going to give, so it is already also useful about digital marketing tips. If you have provided any post regarding the digital marketing education, is it your post is regarding educational post, you can make use of that also. So digital marketing. In addition to that, mine is an agency, services company, anything. So what are else I can use for this particular post? See, it will start highlighting digital marketing company, services, Bangalore, digital art. So I have started typing digital, so it have highlighted digital art. And what is the number it is highlighting? Right side the particular hashtags, that means number of post. Digital art, digital means for this particular post, the number of post in a minute. Okay, the number of the multiple posts, that means for this particular hashtag, these many number of posts have already uploaded. So the reach is very, that means the hashtag is very popular. So if you are just a beginner, uh, so if your follower count is less than 2000, don't go with that that much popular hashtag. Okay, make use of the hashtag where the post count is less than 50,000. So make use of the creative hashtags too. Make use of the new hashtags that is particular to your short and crisp. You have to make use of particular. So digital art, it is not related to my service, so I have raised it. Digital marketing expert. So while using the while posting the post regarding digital marketing, you can make use of the hashtags like digital marketing experts, digital marketing tips, digital marketing services, digital marketing consultants, digital marketing expertise, digital marketing coaching, digital marketing training, digital marketing education, whatever all the available. But make sure that you are not using any banned hashtags. Okay, you are not using any banned hashtags. How to get to know what are all the banned hashtags? So you just sign into social media info. Okay, there you will get a list of all the banned hashtag in 2020. So I'm repeating it in social info. There you can get a list of banned hashtags. So banned hashtag has a negative impact on your post reach. Don't use any abusive and not related to your post. So if you are posting regarding digital marketing, uh, if you have used any a hashtag that is, so I have showed you digital art, how popular hashtag it is. If I feel that digital art, it is a very popular hashtag, why can't I use that hashtag for my post to make my post to reach so many people? If you think like that, that is very wrong, because digital art, that is not at all related to your post. So if you are posting related to digital marketing, you can make use of anything related to your specific domain. Digital marketing tips, so many tips, once you start typing you will get highlighted of this. Just parallel to that hashtag only, how many number of posts are also available till today regarding that hashtag. So that is, that tells the popularity of the medium. It is a medium popular hashtag, low hashtag. So the better thing, the best way to use hashtag is use 10 popular hashtags, 10 medium popular hashtags, and 10 less popular hashtags to make your reach more effective. So how to get to know that it is medium popular? As I told you, the right next to the hashtag itself, it will show you how many posts will be there in that particular hashtag. So that by looking at that count itself, you will get to know how many hashtags I can, how how many posts and how popular the particular hashtag is. Okay, so for the follower count is less than 2000 for the account. If you have started your account right now, it is not suggestible to make use of the king hashtags, so which are more popular, that we can say it as king hashtags. So don't use king hashtags. It is always suggestible. If your follower count is less than 2000, make use of hashtags that ranges between 1000 to 50,000. That means who, where the post count of the particular hashtag ranges between 500 to 50,000 is also fine. So you can make use of this digital marketing experience also. 173 less, so you can make use of these kind of hashtags. 10 medium, 1000 to 20,000, in between 1000 to 20,000 you can make use of 10, and 20,000 to 50,000, 60,000 range hashtags you can use 10. So total 30 hashtags. Divide your 30 hashtags into three categories: high, medium, and low popular. High category means 20,000 to 50,000. Particularly, I'm talking about the accounts follower range less than 2,000. Okay. Highly popular means in between the post count 20,000 to 50,000 for that particular hashtag, and medium popular means 1,000 to 2,000, and low popular means less than 1,000. Okay. And if you just cross check while using the hashtag if that particular hashtag is related to you. Digital marketing, so digital marketing expert, digital marketing expertise. So whatever you feel that it is related to your content, and I can use online business marketing. Digital marketing is also popular as online digital marketing. See, once I have typed online, it is going to show you what are all the hashtags related to the online. But I am not talking about online shopping, everything. Online marketing here. Online marketing, see, it's a very popular hashtag. I'm not going to use it because our account is very new. So if we use that online marketing strategy 30 to 80, 30,823, so I can make use it in my high popular category, online marketing strategies. Because you are going to, as a digital marketing service company, we are giving on strategies before planning the without planning the strategies, we are not going to provide service for them, right? So I'm going to give online marketing strategy, online marketing growth strategies also, again highly popular. Grow your business with online, that means you are we are telling them that you can grow. This post is related to that particular hashtag. Grow your online, you might think how this post is related to that particular hashtag. Grow your business online, that means I'm indirectly telling it is nothing but a transactional type of keyword. Okay, grow your business, we are hinting it, so we will help you to grow your business with online strategies. So hashtag is nothing but the direct word which talks about the post. Indirect. So what are all your intention of posting it? That means if we are providing an education and information regarding something, regarding our services, that means we are indirectly convincing them to get in connect with us. So we can make use of all those kind of hashtags too. Hashtags are nothing but keywords in search engine optimization. How keywords are important for search engine optimization? In the similar way, hashtags are important for the Instagram and Facebook post. So grow your business Again, it is a very high popular hashtag, so I'm not going to use it. Grow your business online, so I'm going to use it. In this way, we can make use of different kinds of hashtags. Once it is done, you just click on the right mark at the in the top right corner section. So you can add the hashtags to the already uploaded post. You can make use of all the hashtags while creating the new post, okay, while uploading the hashtags. So now you can see in this way, and giving the recap of all the points. Sorry guys, lighting is a bit dull today. I'm giving the recap of all the points. You just make sure that you are using the relative hashtags. Related means everything, not exactly the content of your. You can indirectly promote that. As I have used online market strategy, synonym also you can make use of it. So I have given the digital marketing agency. That means mine is a digital marketing agency, digital marketing services. We are providing the digital marketing services, and we are giving the strategies also. We are digital marketing experts. So whatever all related you feel, how to get to know the popularity of the hashtags. So when you will start using the hashtags by typing the word hash. Once you start typing the letters itself, Instagram will automatically highlight the hashtags related to that particular letter, but you have to make sure whether that particular hashtag is related to your post or not. Okay, make sure that that is related and reliable to your particular post, and you can make use of the hashtags that is synonym to your particular post, and that is indirectly promoting your services. That is how I have used it. Grow your business online. If you are providing the coaching regarding that, if that is an informational post, you can make use of that tips, tricks, and you can make it. The popularity of the post depends upon the number of posts have uploaded in that particular hashtag. Okay, if you follow the hashtag, the post count is, yes, once we start, once we have opened the Instagram account, we will start following another accounts. But if we follow another accounts, it will help you to reach that particular person. If he share it and save it, then it will help us. But if you follow a particular hashtag, then your post will reach multiple millions of users. Okay, related, reliable, synonym, and indirect promotions, but you have to make sure that it is related to your particular topic. Okay, and you should not use any banned words and abused keywords, and don't make sure that your post doesn't contain any abusive things. So that is how we can make use of hashtags in your post. So you will start with typing hash. You can upload the hashtags after uploading the post itself by clicking on the edit button. Otherwise, while uploading the post itself, we can make use of the hashtags. Okay, but don't be lazy to use 30 hashtags. Once you use the 30 hashtag effectively, your post reach will be more. And make another important point is you just divide your hashtags into 10 10 10 category: high, medium, low. So if it is less than 2000, it is always, you can periodically use high, low, medium. And if it is more than 2000 followers to 10,000 followers, focus bet on high priority. That means you can make use of hashtags that have more popularity. That means if it has 1 lakh post also, you can make use of it. You can make use of 5 highly popular, and another 10 medium popular. That means ranges between 50,000 to 1 lakh, and then you can use 1000 to 10,000. In that way, if you're once your count of followers going up and up, you can improve the hashtag strategy. So with this, I am concluding the topic how to make use of hashtags in Instagram post. So if you have any doubts relating to this hashtag topics, you can direct message me on my Instagram at the rate of digital underscore Shravani. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account at the rate of digital underscore Shravani. Thank you.